Hi friends, in this video we will see how we can install the bootstrap in the project. So we will try to install the bootstrap in the project so that in the coming project and all the things, in the coming lectures and all the things, I will be using the defaultly bootstrap. So we will see here how we can install the bootstrap. Before installing bootstrap, what I can do is I will be opening here the command prompt. Okay, now what I will try to do is I will try to install. Let me stop the server. Okay, so I stop the server, and here I will press OK. Fine. Now let me install npm install bootstrap, so I can directly install the bootstrap. Why? Because we can go here and we can search get bootstrap. So if we search for the get bootstrap, so where we can find this get bootstrap? Now here if we go to get started, so here we will see how we can install the bootstrap thing. So if we go here, the compile and SAS download source bootstrap session through the npm. So I am using this file, so I can copy this one and I can paste it here. Same thing. So I will try to install the bootstrap. So the bootstrap will install in the node modules. So in ideally installing the only the bootstrap will not append that bootstrap into the Angular project. We need to give the link to the project. So we need to give the bootstrap link to the Angular project so that the bootstrap will load. So if by installing ideally with npm install bootstrap, it will not load the bootstrap. So we will see how we can load that bootstrap also. Now so where we can give that is, so this is the main angular.json. This is the file. Here if you go down and if you see, here you will be having the styles. So these styles, so what are the styles you need to be preloaded, so you need to mention it here. If you come down and if you see here, you will be having the, as I already told you, you will be having styles.css. so where is that? In the source. In the source you can go here. In that source you are having styles.css. This is the global styles. So what are the global styles? What are the styles you require for the project? So globally, if you want across all the project, if you want the styles to be applied, you can write the global styles here. And now the bootstrap thing, and that one, that this styles is automatically mentioned in the angular.json. If you see here, it is mentioned in the angular.json. So in the same scenario, bootstrap we need it to be installed, right? So what we can do is, so this one is installed 4.5.2. If you go to the node modules, so here B to search for B, you will be having here somewhere bootstrap. So right now it is not there. We will just refresh. Okay, if we refresh this one, you will be able to get the bootstrap. Let's go top A B, right? So if you go top, somewhere it will be installed. So let me check that one. So here I am able to find the bootstrap. So here is the bootstrap file, and here in this dist in the css you are having bootstrap.min.css. Let's add that bootstrap.css file here. So here, so first I need to load this one. So what I can do is, in the node underscore modules, okay, slash bootstrap slash dist slash css slash bootstrap.min.css. okay, so this one is the node modules bootstrap disk slash css bootstrap.min. So now after adding this node modules thing, so now let's start ng serve. Okay, I'm starting in the here in the Visual Studio only. ng serve, I'm starting that ng serve. It will take some time to boot the server. So server is running right now. So now I will open here, so localhost. So here it is there, right? So now I can run this one. Want to check the output? If you want to see the output, you go control U. Okay, not control U, sorry. So you will go to inspect element. If you see the inspect element, and if I see here, if I go to head, you will be having three styles here. If you see, so this one bootstrap has been installed first, and another one is the global style css, and another one is the component css, that one which we try to install. So this one. So now the style has been, the bootstrap has been added into the Angular project. This is how we can install the bootstrap in the Angular project. So whenever you want to install the bootstrap in the Angular project, so you just install it using npm install and add it in the angular.json. Okay, so in this way we can add it the bootstrap. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.